Hello, on this video I'm gonna repair this kitchen knife. It's got some scratches on it and a broken tip. A big scratch right here. So we're gonna put a new tip on it and clean it up a little bit, sharpen it up. So let's get started. First of all, I need my ear protection. Hold on a second. Small shop. Sorry. So let's get started. It's gonna be noisy, so yeah. So now that we got the tip back in, if it will focus. So now we grind it in the tip. I'm gonna clean it up. For that I'm gonna use a Scotch Brite belt, fine one, well medium one. Now I only have to see where I put it. By the way, I did all that with a worn out 120 grit. So now we can see. Scotch Brite will do. Not really sure, but we'll see. Let's do this right now.